Hello guys, if you've been following along, you should be now on part 2 of installing the plugin that will let you connect your Outlook to your HubSpot account. So here's what we need to do. If you download the software on the description below, or alternatively you can click on the settings here on the top right, and if you scroll down you're going to find integrations, and for integrations you're going to click email integrations. Over here click on HubSpot extension and you want to download. I have already downloaded, so I'm just gonna open up the file here. So if you double click that, it's gonna ask you that you have to close the Outlook before the installation proceeds. Mine is closed, so I can continue. So what you want to do now is simply click yes and accept all the terms and conditions and install all the dependencies you need for the plugin. You're going to open Outlook. You can close this window if you like. As you can see, it's already loading up all the add-ins. And once you open Outlook, it's going to ask you to log in to your HubSpot account. So click login, type your email, I have a two-factor authentication turned on, so I just received a message. And you can click don't ask me again on this computer, so you don't have to log in every time you open Outlook. Okay, so here you want to click login and track emails. A new window is going to open up, but don't worry about that. So just put everything. I'm going to drag this off screen, but you feel free to close it as well. On this window here you can minimize, and you're back on Outlook. So on Outlook, I'm going to make a new email. And as you can see, we can already see HubSpot add-in has been added to our Outlook. And now, whenever you send an email, you're going to get a blank carbon copy. And this is the tracker that's going to help you to track your emails to your account on the CRM. So that's how you connect your email to your CRM.